Hi, how you doing, everyone? This is Alvaro,
Jeremy.
We're here in Adventure Air, and today we're gonna keep training the check ride and the solo, and we're gonna do some traffics in the runway. We already know what we have to do. We're just training and doing the finesse on the flare. We're trying to get the nice flare, removing a lot of the feedback and the movement that we used to do it. In a fixed wing, you see the pilots moving a lot the hands, and that's because in a fixed wing, the only moving surfaces are the ailerons, right? So it's a very small surface trying to move the whole aircraft. In the case of the gyrocopter and the particular, the way they fly, when we move the control, we're moving the whole umbrella, the whole disc is moving. So what we're practicing today is basically what we did last time. It's just small corrections and wait, corrections and wait. All right?
I'm gonna nail the takeoff. I'm doing okay on the landings.
The landings are better.
Watch me screw up.
You guys will see if it's getting better or not. I'm just gonna trying to. I'm the narrator today.
And by the way, I just took my written test, and I passed. So
yeah, he passed. We'll talk about that later. He's doing great. So the process of become a pilot is you're ready to go out of the oven, man. All right, let's do it.
We'll get there.
We'll get there. All right. Remember, going with the stick to your belly button, right?
Yeah, left of center for me.
Center. Try not to use too much left, too much right. Remember that when the rotor starts pushing, it goes to the left. So it tends to hold the aircraft to the left, so you have to compensate that, and the right pedal for the torque. Okay.
Oh man, that wind is strong.
Nice.
There's Mike Zero navigation. There appear to be about 2 or 3 aircraft south of Racket Airport south. I'm not talking to any of them. Navigation, frigate change route.
Frigate station cruise, Zero Mike Zero. Start the pre-rotator. Engaging. A little bit more power. 100. 80, 190, 200, thumb off the button, stick back, release the brake, throttle up.
Nice. That's perfect. That's perfect because you're pulling right in the center. Very nice. Little bit of right pedal, the nose will pop up. Over the nose, try to be as flat as you can. Do not move too much your hand. Wait for it. There you go.
I'm out at 60.
Nice.
Pump it up.
Tower comes 3 hotels here, 21 north of Alpha, ready for takeoff, Gyrocopter in sight. Okay, 3 hotels here, ready, early right turn into food, runway 2 north of Alpha, clear takeoff to the left.
Slow down.
Gary Whiskey X-ray, stand up and I'll call the crossing.
What did he say?
Say again.
Say again, Whiskey X-ray.
Gary Whiskey X-ray, stand up and I'll call the crossing.
Extend up when you'll call the cross, say Whiskey X-ray.
120.12 and continue for left traffic, to the left.
Power. Nice.
Gauss 46.
Very gentle.
Number
Start
2 on Gyrocopter making a shorter approach and reduce
you lower your nose a little bit just to keep the speed. You see, to start dropping the speed.
Yeah.
If you need a little bit more, you put a little bit more here just to keep pushing, right? Because you're a little bit far away from the runway still.
Okay.
So you still haven't your runway secure at this altitude, or this distance.
Okay.
But we want to remember that the training is to get
Gauss 46,
the
number 2
final and the flare with no engine.
Straight clear low approach and on the go flighting at 260.
There you go. You think you're going to need a little bit of power or not?
Low approach approved, number 2, and then westbound heading for Gauss 46.
You're going to need a little bit of power. That's fine. Perfect. Less movement on the hand. And when you start cutting progressively the engine, when you are in the runway, you remember to start pushing a little bit your left control. The wind's coming from the left, so you need to just make sure that, there you go, perfect. Keep going down. Keep going down. Progressively with the engine. Progressively. There you go. Hold it back, wait for it, and back down.
Cover 3 hotels here, 21 north of Alpha, ready for takeoff. Cover 3 hotels here, early right crossing turns through, runway 2 north of Alpha, clear for takeoff and to the left. 3 hotels here. Gyro 8 Whiskey X-ray, minimal delay on the runway, please. Traffic's 1 mile final.
Right pedal and left command. You see? There you go. Keep it flat, no pressure in the hand, very gentle. Nice. And just make
Gyro 8 Whiskey X-ray, thank you. Continue westbound, I'll call the right crossing.
You'll call my right cross, 8 Whiskey X-ray.
Great. You see? You got it. It's fixed. It's fixed. And the progression when you start cutting your engine in the final, it's progressive. Very
Evolution 7 Hotel, ready for takeoff.
And you will barely gonna feel the nose going like crazy.
Evolution 7 Hotel,
The finesse in the hand is kind
final.
of the key point of this. Beautiful. Feel the speed. Feel the speed.
AutoGyro 220 Mike Hotel, Chino Tower, Roger.
Feel the speed.
The air to pass behind
that's a little
is
bit high,
left base,
and
lead
then
left
hold
base
it
near the
down.
wash on the downwind currently, 1,300.
Keep the same attitude because you have the power, you know? It's not going less, it's not going, it's perfect. You're flying.
Perfect. Mike Hotel, taxi pass behind that Cherokee, they'll be near the wash, left base now.
This is the moment
And,
you start
yeah,
progressively
landing at the base
cutting your
temperature,
engine. Progressively.
And we have that
Very
traffic
nice.
right now. And we'll pass behind them.
Left pedal,
I got the tail steer
Back,
at the
wait.
power lines on course group.
back, wait.
Alright, left power.
The left pedal is what is missing, man. Is it? That's because you're going in that direction. Dun, dun. Because the cabin is hitting.
Bronco 87612 with you down at the end of the right, ready to go, be a left turn.
Flat cabin. Call it in the air.
Bronco 87612, Chino Tower, Roger, stand by.
Stand by.
Yeah, no, I see what you're saying, but I got it.
No, you're doing it great, man. I'm actually dancing instead of being in panic right now. Should I be in panic right now? What do you guys think?
It's dead again.
Is that again? Wait.
Yeah, it's too hot.
What do you guys think? There you go. Nice control. Nice control of the engine. I like it. I like it. That's piloting, man. You're checking your temperatures, you know you're high, you're controlling your engine, you're being a manager. You're actually managing all the speeds, movements, maneuvers, everything. That's not easy, it takes time, but if I can do it, everybody can do it.
Yep.
Bronco 612, I'll call your left turn, runway 26 right, close to takeoff.
Clear to go on the right, 612. Thanks, sir. You got my left.
This is Mike Hotel, and this remain east of the runway 26 right. The Bronco's taking the runway now for departure.
Main east, and we got the Bronco inside there, Mike Hotel. Thanks.
All right, go for full stop in this one.
Okay.
You're good? Yeah, you're tired, you're good, you're fine?
Gyrocopter 8 Whiskey X-ray, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
26 right, clear for the option, we'll be full stop. 8 Whiskey X-ray.
Great job today, man. That was brilliant. The way you have improved since the first day
Hotel, frequency change proof.
is
Good night. See you tomorrow.
substantial, man.
No problem, Chris. Yeah.
You are very secure. You're actually trusting in yourself right now a lot. And immediately you start taking both at the same time.
Okay.
So it feels better. It feels more,
Gotcha.
more dynamic.
Okay.
So the speed is kind of the same all the time. Because you're trading one thing
Yeah.
for the other and you maintain the equation balance. Nice, nice. There's your thermal.
Yep.
That's your thermal. Nice.
He's a spicy boy.
Spicy, spicy. Alright. Take us home. Plenty of altitude and plenty of power. Can actually cut a lot. I'm gonna go a little bit far away. Left pedal a little bit. Here you are. Right there. Left pedal a little bit. Hold it. Yeah, that was me. That was me. That was me. That was me. I have it. I have it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was me. That was actually literally me. I'm really sorry. That was actually me. That was actually me. I will correct this. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I want to do the last landing.
Sorry, Whiskey X-ray. Turn right when you're able and ground point 6. Good again.
Ground point 6. See ya. See ya.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It was me, the one who ruined a very nice landing because I pulled. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Don't let it happen again.
Oh man, I'm really sorry. Thank you guys for watching. We love you. I think from now on, super boring. So this is when cue the music. And you can put the t-shirts and everything and all the things that we're selling, right?
Yeah.
There's gonna be an OnlyFans. I don't know if Jeremy or me. No OnlyFans.
Chino ground, Gyro 8 Whiskey X-rays, off 26 right, request taxi back to Eagle Size 2.
037 Whiskey X-ray, Chino ground, taxi Delta Mike Park.
Delta Mike Park, 8 Whiskey X-ray.
Good job, man. That was great. Thank you. That's great. I'm really sorry. I'm really, really sorry, man.
You screwed it up, man. It's all your fault.
Yeah, no, absolutely, man. I have to buy you lunch, man. That's it.